Hello everyone, today's episode I will talk about special effects glue and remover. This video is only about my personal opinion and preference, so you can try one of these and choose your favorite ones. Alright, the first one I'm going to talk about is very traditional one, and it's been used since 1870s, and it's an alcohol-based adhesive, and normally I use for wigs and facial hair and crepe hair. You can also use it for prosthetics, but I normally use it for hair. Put it on the skin, then tap the adhesive until it becomes tacky. Then put the hairpiece on top of it. Make sure not to put too much, otherwise it gets crispy. To remove, you will need isopropyl alcohol 99%. Alright, next one is Prosthetic. Prosthetic is a water-based medical grade adhesive, and also it's safe for skin. It's very gentle and very strong. And when you apply it, it's a contact adhesive, so put on both sides skin and the back of the prosthetics. When it dries, put them together. You can make bundle for edges by mixing with carboxyl, and also you can make Pax paint with the acrylic paint. I normally use this one for latex pieces. And watch out with the airplane. When prosthetic gets frozen, it gets less tacky. For removal, you will need isopropyl alcohol 99%, or you can use liquid 244. Next glue is PPI's Silabond. Silabond is kind of similar to Prosthetic, but it's not contact adhesive. You can just put it on the skin and put the prosthetics over. You don't need to wait for dry completely. And it's an acrylic based adhesive, and to remove you will need Baldiez. I normally use this one for bone cap and foam latex. Next one is a little bit pricey, but it's very good glue. It's called Telesis Silicone Adhesive. Telesis was standard for silicone makeup, silicone prosthetics makeup, and they had 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I had number 4 too, but now only they have Telesis 8. And it's been standard for a decade or 2 decades, and now they only have Telesis 8. Telesis 5 and 7 were my favorite, and if you see these on the shelf on sub stores, I recommend to take it. For removal, you will need Super Soap or isopropyl methacrylate. Super Soap is also made by the company PPI, so it's easy to find it. And isopropyl methacrylate. It's a base ingredient for the liquid foundation, so it's very gentle remover. Next one is Westmore SilcOne adhesive. This one is my new favorite silicone adhesive, and I use it all the time, and it's very strong, and normally it stays all day on set from 5 a.m. till, let's say, 6 p.m. You will need thinner for this one, so if you think it's too thick, you can add the thinner. To remove, you need an isopropyl methacrylate or 244. Next glue is European Body Art Silabond. This one, it's thin enough, so you don't need a thinner. Even though they sell it with a thinner, you can use as is. For removal, isopropyl methacrylate or 244 fluid. Next 4 glue are mainly for hair. First one is Prosthetic cream. Like the name, it's a cream version of Prosthetic, so it's a little bit thicker and you can put it on the skin and lay hair over it. To remove, you will need 244 fluid. Next one is Super Baldiez. Super Baldiez is normally used for making a board cap, but you can use it for gluing the lace piece. Good part of Super Baldiez is when Super Baldiez dries, the lace piece disappears, so it's invisible. That's a good part of it. And if you think it's shiny, you can add TS100. For removal, 99% alcohol. Next one is WM Creations Extra Hold Spirit Gum. This one is very strong, so I recommend for theater because they dance and sweat. For removal, 99% alcohol. And if the actor sweats a lot, I recommend Workers Tape Ultra Hold. It's very thick, it's very strong, and you will need the C22 solvent for removal. The last one is quite different from other glue. It's a smooth-on skin tight. It's a silicone mixed with A and B 50-50%. Then it sets out within 5 minutes. Like I wrote it down, there's no remover needed. I use this one for the production when they want to remove the prosthetics on camera. If you use the glue, you can't remove it without the remover, so I put this one instead so they can remove it easily. Just like Tom Cruise Mission Impossible. Another remover is called Pro Wipes. You can use this one to remove tattoo transfers. And 99% alcohol or Beta Solve. Another one is 244. That's a way to remove tattoos. Also, for sensitive skin, use primers such as Dermasil or Wellskin's Barrier Cream. And if you see the redness after removal, you can use E-Dap Cream after removal. I put the link in the description below so you can check all the glue if you would like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.